Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a DNS probe finished NX domain error in Google Chrome. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet connection you are using and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS type 8844. If this DNS doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to try this DNS guys. Click on OK, and now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open up Chrome. Check my video description for this text used in my video, copy and paste it and press enter. Select the reset all option. Select relaunch option. After getting relaunched, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to restart your PC guys. Just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.